Finish your ABC.
Yeah.
What letter is this?
W.
Very good. What about this one? What letter is this?
Robin.
Very good. What about this one? What letter is this?
K for kite.
Very good, anak. What about this one, anak? What letter is this?
Letter V for boy.
Very good. Letter V for violet. What about this one?
B.
B is for?
Bird.
Very good. It's for bear. Wow. What letter is this, anak?
J.
J is for? Juice. Very good, anak ko. What about this one, anak? What letter is this? You're coughing. What letter is this, anak? Yeah. Come on, tell it. What letter is this, anak? What letter is this? I'll drink your milk first. You want to say hi to Daddy? To everybody? You will be on Facebook again. On YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. What letter is this, anak?
V.
Hey, what letter is this?
S.
Look properly, oh. Oh? What is this? What letter is this? Z. Very good. Z is for? Again, Z is for?
Z for zebra.
Very good. Z for zebra. What about this one? What letter is this?
K.
Anak, oh look.
L.
L is for?
Lion.
Very good.
N. N.
What letter is this?
N.
N. Very good. What about this one?
L.
Letter? What letter is that? What letter is that? Yeah, W. But what about this one? Oh. Letter?
W yan.
Oh, kapag opposite siya, W. Oh. Ay, what about this one? Oh. Oh. Oh, what letter is this?
Luther.
Ay, milk mo. Oh, give to mommy. Oh, what letter is this again?
M.
M. Very good. M is for moon.
Star.
Oh, what about this one? What letter is this? What letter is this, anak? Come on, say it.
X.
X is for?
X-ray.
Very good, baby, go. Later, we will go to Jollibee. Then what letter is this?
S.
Come on. What is this again?
T.
T is for?
TV.
Very good. What about this one? Anak, what about this one? What letter is this? Ella? Anak. Hey, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Ella, look at mommy. Later na si Barney. Look at mommy. What letter is this? Come on. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? I'm glad to be with you. And you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la, la-la-la, la-la-la-la. Tra-la-la, la-la-la, la-la-la. Tra-la-la, la-la-la, la-la-la. La 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 la. Where is Ella? Where is Ella? There you are. There you are. How are you this morning? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Oh, what letter is this? Come on. What letter is this? What letter is this? Oh, come on, what letter is this? Say it. I will go to Peachy now.
Hello, Peachy.
Oh, okay. What letter is this? What letter is this now? Come on. Come on, say it. Do you want mommy to leave?
Dog.
Oh, what letter?
Dog.
Dog starts with what letter? Dog starts with what letter? Come on, say it. What letter is this? Huh? Excuse me. What letter is this, anak? Say it.
D.
D is for?
Dog.
Very good. What about this one?
E.
E is for?
White egg.
White egg. Very good. What about this one? What letter is this?
H.
Very good.
Your head.
Very good. What about this one? What letter is this?
C.
For?
Correct.
Very good. What about this one?
H.
A is for?
Apple.
Very good. And the last one, what letter is this?
I.
I. Very good. Ang anak ko.
No more.
No more. You are done with ABC. What about spelling? Do you want spelling? Do you want to spell your name?
No.
No?
Quiet.
Yes. Oh, why are
Quiet.
you crying?
Quiet. Bella.
Because you miss your daddy? Huh?
Quiet.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Yeah.
Bye, people. You sit down. Bye, people. I'm done with my ABC. Now we will proceed to spelling.
Spelling.
Yeah.